Okay, there also might be a scenario where you actually want to download a current repository. So in my case, I've uploaded my repository from Eclipse, but you can actually download my repository. So when you're in your, actually you can go to this link itself, right? And when you go to my repository, right, this link, github.com/Timothy Short is my account, and then /SDETU-training is my repository. Because it's public, you can actually go download this on your computer. So when you're at this page, you should go to download, and you want to clone. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go to git bash. Okay, I'm going to close this down. Open up another git bash. Okay, bring this right here. And where do I want to put this? So if I'm downloading it, I need to put it somewhere on my local computer. So I'm going to go to this same workspace here. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this SDETU-GitHub repo. Okay, so I'm inside this folder, and so now let's go to this folder in our git bash. So cd shift insert. There we go. Cd, put that in quotes, shift insert. Okay. Now again, we need to do git init. Right, so now we're initializing git, and there's our git folder right there. Now once we initialize git, then we can copy and paste our repository. And we need the command git clone, shift insert, and now it's going to bring in that project. And I think it's done. So there we go. There's SDETU training. That's the name of the repository in GitHub. And here's everything that we just have. So there we go. So I have in my workspaces basically two projects. One is the Java training that I had put up there, and then here we have SDETU, which you can download yourself. So to download a repository from GitHub, you need to again connect that folder. You need to initialize git in that folder, and then use the git clone command, and then copy in this folder. So very simple process, but you should be familiar with basically how to do two things. One is how to basically push your initial project to GitHub, connect your GitHub to a Git folder, going from Git to GitHub, and then how do you go from GitHub to Git for your first starting project. So those are the two basic ways of getting a project started with Git. And then next, we're going to actually kind of update our files and show the results in GitHub.